Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Well, in today's class we are going to have some breakdown of some trades using price action, market structure, support and resistance, and some trend reversals, market shifting from an uptrend to downtrend. So simple stuff, basic stuff. Let's get down to the video. Just join us. Don't forget to subscribe and like video, share, friends. Let's get. So in today's class we are going to be looking at USD, and we normally trade the London session. I normally start my session at 9 a.m. is in East African time. So if you are to check Forex Factory, check on the news, you'll see that at that time, and we are trading USD. So I'm looking at news on the pound. So during this time we are not having any news. That is 9 a.m. we're not having anything on GBP, so I'm not expecting any high impact news during that time. So I'll go on to the charts. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to identify my zones of resistance, support, and identifying a trend which is on. So I'm going to go to my 30 minutes. Then I'm going to identify having this resistance here, and we're having this, having that support on that zone. We also have resistance there, and giving us support level that point. So I'm going to highlight my important zones here. We're having this resistance here, then we're having that support point. So I'm gonna be having my sales below here. If the market breaks below this zone, we'll be expecting continuation to the downside, and if the market breaks above this zone, I'll be expecting some buys. So I'm having my buys above that zone, then I'll have my sales below zone. So if the market is still trending in that zone, I'll not be getting any entries. I want to quit my entries when we are out of this zone. In order for me to buy, I need the market to be trading above this zone, and in order for me to sell, I want the market to break that level here. Currently, if you're to look at the structure, you're seeing that the market is giving us this uptrend. The market is creating high highs, low highs, high highs, low highs, then high highs, and then at this point in time, we are seeing that the market is breaking the previous lower high, which is giving us our trend reversal. So here we're having our market shift. So we shall be expecting some continuation to the downside, but I want to see the market break below this zone so that I verify my sales, or if it breaks above here, then I'll be looking for some buys. So on the market first break below this zone, so if it is still trading above that zone, trading. If it breaks above that zone, then I'll be looking for some buys. So right now we are seeing the market is breaking at that level, and then it's coming back. Let's see, it was a false breakout. So we're having this false breakout point there, and then giving us our break the downside, which is giving us our continuation and sales. We're seeing that the market here has created a proper lower low at point. So we're expecting the market to be continuing to the downside. So after that, I'm gonna head onto my 1 minute to get some entries. And when I come on my 1 minute, what am I seeing? I'm already seeing the structure of the downtrend. Market is giving me impulse, and then it is pulling back. Market is giving me this impulse, then we're seeing that it is still pulling back. So remember, we're not making entries ourselves, we only make entries after pullbacks. So I need to get an impulse. When I get the pullback, then I'll be able to do that to verify my entries. So here we are seeing that our sales below is here, so we need to get entries when the market is trading towards this zone. That's when we shall know that we are on the right side of the trade. If we are to continue up, market is going back into this zone, so we shall not be looking for entries. It's going back there, going back there, and it is still respecting this low here. We shall still be looking for sales. We'll still be looking for sales. So seeing here the market is, has been moving sideways, something here, and the structure has done quite well. Then here we are seeing that the market is giving us impulse. This impulse is pulling back, it's giving us an impulse, and then it's pulling back, it's giving us our impulse here. Same thing, want to enter when the market is giving me an engulfing candle. That's what I'm looking at basically today. So what am I seeing here? Market is giving me this downtrend, this downtrend structure is here. The market is giving me those. It's all about patience. It's all about patience, waiting for the right thing, and you get it in the market. So what am I having here? Market has given me these lows, these lows, those lows, which is showing us our downtrend. A person who has a trend line, you can catch it, join that point, join that point, join that point, give you a trend line. What am I having here? I'm having this impulse, this point here, then what's the market doing? The market has come back to this zone. It is still respecting the previous structure, its previous low. What does that mean? Sellers are still in control of the market. So, and then what am I seeing here? I'm gonna get this. Do you need to add? I need to see that market is still respecting this zone. Market is still respecting that zone. You're still having sellers in the market, so you're still respecting the previous low. If we break it, then that would be another story. That would be another story. We need it to see. We need to see that price is still respecting levels. See, yeah, this time here, see that the market is breaking through this trend line here that I've drawn. The market is still respecting the previous structure, which is giving us another trend. So at this point here, I'm gonna come get some sales. I'm gonna put my stop loss above the previous structure. That's why I said the market breaks this zone, we shall be seeing an uptrend, because if it is still respecting it, it means we should be pulling down. So that's why we shall be putting our stop loss. We're having 6 pips of stop loss, and we shall see how it goes. Let's see, let's get some profits. 1 to 2, those ones who trade using risk to reward ratio. Continue, boom, get profit, just like that, just like that. What have we put in? Just patience, waiting for the right thing to happen. If it doesn't happen, we don't trade. If you've enjoyed the video, comment in the comment section, give us with a comment, give us that like, then we shall see you in the next video. See you.